Hello and welcome to the second video on the game I'm trying to make. Keep in mind the game I'm trying to make is like you're in a cave or in a hallway or in a tunnel or in a dungeon, and you can either walk forwards or you can walk backwards, and it keeps a location as to where you are. So what I have here, I have made a class called Game, and let's see what the class looks like. It goes all the way down to here. There's my class called Game, and let's see what's in that class called Game. What I've got here is I've got two private members. I have location and I have direction. Location is actually where I am in the hallway. I'm at square 1, square 2, square 3, square 4, and so on. Direction is the direction I'm heading. I'm going to use the W key for going forward and the S key for going back, which is pretty standard for games to do that. So what I've got here is I've got a constructor which says game. And the reason why I know it's a constructor is because it's the exact same identifier that's used to name my class. Plus, there's no void or anything else in front of it. It's not a data type. What the constructor is for is simply initializes the location to 0 and the direction at W, like I'm heading forward. The next thing I have in my class is I have a method called getKey, and let's see what's in that method as I scroll down here, there is wait a minute, there is the method right there. Okay, getKey. All right, that's it, right there. All right, inside that method I have a while loop. This says while direction does not equal Q, because we're going to use the Q key for quit. This is going to be a loop that keeps looping through here to here, keeps doing this over and over again. It gets my key. If I do the W key, it's going to increment the location by 1. If I press the S key, it's going to decrement the location by 1. If the location is ever less than or equal to 0, then the location will be equal to 1, because I don't want a negative location or a 0 location. That won't make sense. Now, I'll always have an output that says you are at what location I'm at, and that's just a \n for returning right here. That's what that is, a \n. And then there'll be a system pause, and then it'll loop back again, get the key, and as long as the key does not equal Q for quit, it'll keep doing this, and it'll keep doing this, and it'll keep doing this. So in order to stop this loop, I'm going to have to press the Q key to make it quit. Okay, so what I have out here is I have my class game, which is the name of my class. I instantated it, and I made an object called myGame, and all I need to do is put mygame.getKey. And as soon as I do that, this right here, as you can see, is public, which is my constructor, and also getKey is public, and my properties here, these two variables are private. They're protected, as they should be. Okay, let's go ahead and do this, and let's see what some of the possible issues are with doing it this way. Okay, here I am compiling it. Okay, let's come over here. What I get is a blank screen. I'm going to press the W key. All right, I pressed the W key, but now I have to hit the Enter key, and it says you are at 1. And now I have to press the space bar. I'm going to hit the W key again. I have to now press the Enter key, and then it says you are at 2. Okay, now I press the space bar. I hit the W key again going forward. I have to press the Enter key, and then I have to press the space bar. So let's say I'm going back. I'm going to press the S key, press the Enter key. You are at 2. Obviously, I'm going back now. Press any key to continue. I'm going to press the S key right here. I'm going to press the Enter key, and I got to press any key to continue. And this is awkward for playing this game. It's awkward that every time I press the W key, I now have to hit the Enter key, and then I have to wait and press any key to continue. I'd like it so that if I press the W key, it just says you're at 1, and then I can press another key. I can press the W key again. It says you are at 2. If I press the S key, it'll say so on and so forth. I don't like the idea that I have to wait and press the Enter key every time I press the W or the S key. That's very awkward. That's really not the best kind of game. I'm going to press the Q key, and the Q key should quit it right now. But I have to press the Enter key and then press this key, and now it quits. I have to press the space bar. The problem that I'm having is that I'm using iostream. And iostream is a super duper program that ties into this. That expects a stream of characters. It doesn't expect for me to hit just one key and something to happen. What I need to do, I need to include something else in my program in order to make it work more effectively, and that's what the next video is going to be about. Okay, that's it for now on this video. Thank you for watching.